What is up, guys? My name is Level Up Tech and welcome back to another video. In the world of active noise cancelling headphones, there's a lot of expensive options. There's things like the Neurophones or Sony's active noise cancelling headphones that are $200 and upwards, and they're just really expensive. Yes, they have good sound quality, some good features, but we're going to be taking a look at the budget side of things today. And we're going to be taking a look at the Anker Soundcore Life Q20s. These are budget active noise cancelling headphones coming in at $60, and I've been using them for a few months and I've been enjoying my experience with them. So let's get right into the video. Starting off with the unboxing, we have a little travel pouch here. It is not a hard shell case or anything, but it is better than nothing. And over here we have the charging cable and the aux cable. The aux cable is really helpful because if you happen to run out of battery with these headphones, you can plug the aux cable in and run the headphones off of that. And here are the headphones. The headphones are nice and flexible. You can bend them in multiple ways. You can fold them, you can tilt the earphones, and it's something that's really nice for portability because you can just fold it up, shove it in that little travel pouch, and yeah, it's really nice. That's all there really is for the unboxing portion, so let's get on to the good stuff. I'm going to go over all the buttons and the ports on the headphones. So right here's the power button. Just hold it to turn it on. It'll immediately go into pairing mode. You can pair it to your phone or whatever you're using, and then after that it'll automatically pair to it every time you turn it on. Up above the power button is the active noise cancelling button. You just hold it to turn it on or off. And then over here we have the volume down and volume up buttons and the play pause button in the middle. And then down here we have the charging port and the aux port. One of the really cool features about these headphones is a bass up feature. If you double click the pause play button, it'll turn it on, and it does exactly what it says. It turns the bass up. I have tested this out and it does work pretty well, and you definitely get a lot more bass when it is on. When you're done, all you do is hold the power button and it'll turn off. One of the things I do want to talk about is the active noise cancelling. Obviously, one of the things you want to be at least somewhat good is the active noise cancelling when you're buying these kind of headphones, and I've got to say the active noise cancelling on these things aren't too bad. In the description of the headphones on their website, it says that it can block up to 90% of noise, and I can mostly say that that is accurate. It mainly just blocks out a lot of low-end noises, like when you're on a plane or if you're riding in a car. It'll be harder to hear the lower-end noises, obviously. But if there's any like higher-pitched noises, it's not necessarily going to block that out as well. And the other thing that you're obviously going to wonder about when you're buying these headphones is how good is the sound quality? And the sound quality is pretty dang good in these things. There's a nice mix of highs and lows, and the bass is pretty loud, especially if you turn on that bass up feature. But overall, the sound quality is just amazing, and I can't really complain at a price point of $60. The battery life of these things is pretty good as well. I can get anywhere between 25 and 30 hours in these things. Like, not that I'll ever use it for that long consecutively, but I rarely feel like I have to charge it. I charge it probably once every 2 weeks, and it's perfectly fine besides that. And half of the time I'm using it with my computer and I'm just like, oh, I'll just use the aux cable. It's easier and it doesn't deplete the battery at all. Wearing these headphones for multiple hours isn't a problem ever for me. I think they're pretty comfortable. They have memory foam ear cups and memory foam along the top, and they are adjustable so you can adjust it to whatever works best for you. But anyway, that is all I really have to say about these headphones. They're pretty great for a price point of $60, and I have nothing much really to complain about them. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you all in the next one.